What's going on, guys? Today we'll be doing a cold start. My dad's 2009 Polaris Trail Touring. It's a snowmobile if you didn't know. He's right here. This thing has a brand new motor in it. I shouldn't say brand new. It was past this broken period. We were out on the ice one day and the motor blew up. Didn't lock up. A ring exploded and made its way into the top end on top of the piston. And it started tearing apart the engine. It still ran fine. Just this teeny noise. And when we brought it in, the guy said it's seconds away from complete destruction. Catastrophic failure. So it had a brand new engine. It's past its braking period, but the compression on this thing is still incredible. It's incredibly hard to pull over in the snow, in the cold. So it's a 34 right now. Snowing. But let's see if we can get this thing started. I'm going to set the keys off to the side here so I don't lose them. Got 3 inches of snow. Most places 5-ish. There she is. Dirty machine, but she runs good. Great, that brick is frozen. She's up on jack stands, but she needs some high facts. So it can't come down, I can't ride it today. Sadly. Kill switch is up. Pop the choke out and lift the key in her. We can rev her up. We can rev it and stuff. But we just can't. It won't. The track will spin. It just won't drive. Put the key in it. This machine does have electric start, but the battery's taken out. I want the key going. I was putting it in backwards. Keys on. Okay. Come on, baby. What if I do it over the machine? Get pulled over better. Oh my gosh. Grip. Got to take the bag out of it. No mice. See if it'll start back up. Shit. Two-banger. Dude, I want to ride it so bad right now. I mean, there's plenty of snow too, but I can't because there's no high facts. Gotta let her warm up. See if reverse works. Yep, reverse works. Put it back and forward. Got to get a video on my phone, son of my friend. She rides snowmobiles. Dirty machine, but she runs good. The 2009 Polaris Trail Touring. Beautiful machine. Oh, it died. What the heck? Here's the tach and hour meter. It's got 881 miles and almost 40 hours. It's a 2009. It's basically brand new. There we go. Hope you guys liked the video. It's a 2009 Polaris Trail Touring.